So I was scrolling the other day and stumbled on this channel posting cozy camper videos. We're talking about a camera set up inside a van, soft lighting, rain on the windows, a warm cup of tea, just the most relaxing, peaceful content you've ever seen. And one of their videos had over 83 million views. I'm not joking, 83 million plus. The same channel has videos with 19 million and 12 million views doing the exact same thing. People are absolutely loving this type of content right now, and today I'm going to show you how to make it yourself. So the first thing you need to do is come up with a solid concept, and this is where ChatGPT becomes your best friend. Open it up and give it a roll. Tell it something like, "You are a creative strategist for a viral YouTube channel." Then ask it to generate 10 video ideas centered around families sleeping inside autonomous, high-tech moving vehicles. Now, the secret to getting really good ideas out of ChatGPT is being specific. You want to tell it the type of family, the extreme weather conditions outside, and the specific type of van. The more detail you give it, the better the ideas you get back. By the way, I have put all the prompts I personally use in the document linked in the description below, so make sure you grab those. Once you have landed on an idea you love, it is time to build your image prompt for the very first frame of the video. Copy the image prompt on the document and go back to ChatGPT, and this time give it a different role. Tell it to act as a professional AI prompt engineer who specializes in cozy core, hyper-realistic, cinematic interiors. Then describe 3 things: the subject, which is the family inside the van, the setting, meaning what the inside of the van looks and feels like, and the lighting, because lighting is everything in this style of content. Once you have your image prompt, go back to the document and get the motion prompt. Ask ChatGPT to now write you a motion prompt for the video generation. The key thing here is that your motion prompt needs to highlight the contrast between the peaceful, sleeping family inside and the wild, moving world happening outside the window. That contrast is honestly what makes these videos so addictive to watch. Quick side note, if you want to post this type of content on TikTok, but you are based outside of the Creator Reward Program regions, I have got some account recommendations for you in the description below. Definitely check those out. Now for the fun part. Head over to InVideo AI using the link in the description and select the Kling 3.0 model. This is currently the most advanced cinematic model available for high-fidelity, realistic physics, and it makes a huge difference in the quality of your output. Take the first video prompt you generated in ChatGPT and paste it straight into the text box. Before you generate, make sure you set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That is the format you need for short-form content on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Set the duration to 15 seconds, then hit the Generate button. Once your video generates, watch it back carefully and pay close attention to how realistic the physics look. Does the van feel like it is actually moving? Does the lighting feel natural? If something looks off, tweak your prompt and generate again until you are happy with it. When you have got a version you love, hit the download button and save it to your device. Create as much as you can. Now you can take it to any video editor to add your music, your sound effects, and any finishing touches that give the video that final, polished, cozy feel. The right background music alone can completely transform the mood of the video, so do not rush this part. I will see you in the next one.